Sorry, I'm moving it. I'm moving it so that you can see Alex.
Alex, where's Daddy?
Oh, yeah. He's going up the steps. Come on, buddy. Let's go down here. Come on. Come on. When did you, I spoke to Dad a little while ago. He said that Caroline had called him. I'm not sure how far down she is. She's probably only about an hour away now. Yeah. Kathleen I had discreetly started playing basketball up here in the kitchen to wake her up. It was about 10:30 before she had to come up. So maybe I'll bang the ball on the kitchen floor. Appointment thing? I don't know. She said something that she would try to start working here soon. So yes, that would be yes. She said something about getting authorization in the next week or two. But she didn't say anything about the word of privileges or anything like that. Oh, so she passed it. Awesome. Oh, good. So now she has the orals coming up. So like if Nicholas fell on his butt. Oh yeah, sorry, you got it on camera. Thanks. Didn't see that. He just fell on his butt. Yeah. And if Nicholas had fallen on his butt like Alex just did, there'd be some tears or some screaming, but now no fear. So too, yeah. Alex, that's a little high. Come on back down here. Come back down here. There we go. He's talking to the lady on the phone. That lady that talked